Thank you for joining us at xm.com for this Forex Preview video. We'll be looking at the RBA policy meeting tomorrow. I'm Cristina Marujas. Joining me today is investment analyst Mario Hadjikyriacos. So we saw the RBA cut rates at its latest policy meeting. However, we're not expecting another rate cut tomorrow. Markets, though, will be watching closely any hints for future easing, let's say. So what do you think we'll see at the RBA meeting tomorrow?
Well, we're definitely not going to see a rate cut. That much is almost certain. Now, the real question is going to be, will the RBA scale back its easing bias? Will it signal a diminished willingness to cut again in the coming months, or will it keep, a strong easing bias in place? I think that on the margin, they have more incentive to scale back on their easing bias. We've seen the trade war calm down quite a lot lately, and we've also seen a string of relatively decent data out of Australia. So I think that policymakers will acknowledge the improved situation, although they will still, keep an easing bias in place and signal that, if the situation deteriorates, obviously we can act again in the coming months.
Now, turning to the Aussie, we saw it post a remarkable rebound in October. It appears that it benefited greatly from the US-China ceasefire. So what is the outlook for the currency right now?
I think that we might see a slight positive reaction on Tuesday if they scale back their easing bias. But overall, in the bigger scheme of things, I'm not so optimistic on the Aussie. Sure, we've seen it recover quite spectacularly in October, but I'm in the camp that thinks that the recent ceasefire we've seen in trade is not going to last, or at least it's very fragile. So we might see the US and China sign a phase one deal in the coming weeks, but I'm not very optimistic that we're going to see any further progress in the coming months. So eventually, I would expect the Aussie to turn down again.
Marios, thank you for joining me today, and thank you for watching this Forex Preview here at xm.com.